Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this simple part here. This is 80 millimeter from center to center, both side, 60 millimeter outside dia of, and 50 millimeter of this extrusion, this boss here. So I will start with this piece first, and then this area. So let's start. This is first height. This piece has a height of 20 millimeter, and 42 millimeter is the center of here, and total is the 60 millimeter here. A 30 degree here is the angle, and 12 millimeter dia of this piece here. So let's start. I will open a new file. Okay. On the top plane, I will draw a circle here of 50 millimeter and another circle of 60 millimeter here. I will draw a circle here of 14 millimeter and another is, you remember, 12 millimeter radius, so 24 millimeter is dia, like so. I will draw a rectangle from here to there. I will make it equal and give it a dimension of 40 millimeter. Like so. I will make it construction. Like so. I will draw a 3-point arc here, like so, and I will give it a dimension of 75 millimeter, like so. And I will now pattern it, circular pattern 4 times. Yes. Okay. I will join this to this here and make sure that it is this one and this one is tangent, and I will make sure this one and this one is tangent. Normal to. This is 14 millimeter radius here, dia here, and it's 24 millimeter dia here. And this and this should be this in, and this line should be tangent, and this should be vertical. I'll give it dimension here, from here to there is 40 millimeter. Sketch is fully defined. So let's extrude it 20 up to 20 millimeter. Selected contours, I will take this. I will take everything like so. Okay. Now I will shell this face 5 millimeter. Okay. I will use this sketch and extrude it, this face up to 60 millimeter, like so. On the front plane, I will draw a circle here of 24 millimeter because the radius is 12 millimeter. Radius is 12 millimeter, like so. I will give it a dimension from here to this is 42 millimeter, and I will draw few scale lines from here to here and from let me draw a center line. So I will mirror it, mirror like so. I will draw a line from here to close the geometry. Let me give it a dimension of 30 degree. I will join this and this here. I will give it a dimension from here 36 millimeter. Sketch is fully defined. Let me extrude it. Let me take a mid plane and 36 millimeter. Okay, I will select this, like so. Okay, now I will select this and I'll cut extrude. I will take only this through all, like so. Okay, now I will draw a line here from origin to here somewhere. It's not important, it's arbitrary, and let me cut it. Let me cut thin feature 3 millimeter, mid plane and through all, like so. So it will cut the part like so. I will go for hole wizard. There is a hole here shown somewhere. This is the hole, 9 millimeter to socket, up to socket, and 15 millimeter dia here, 8 millimeter deep. Counter bore M8, socket head cap screw. So let me do it. I will go for a hole wizard. I will take this socket head cap screw, metric socket head cap screw, show custom sizes. 15 is okay, everything is okay. On the position, I will take this and I will drop it here, and type is not through all, up to next, like so. This is okay, this is done. I will go again here and I will choose this M8 one, tapped hole MC electric through all. I will position it on this face, like so. Okay, this is done. Now is the time for fillets. Everything is okay. I will press S key and take fillet. I will take this 3 millimeter and this and this. This is the top side. Okay, now I will fillet the bottom side. Fillet, there are too many fillets here. Please bear with me. Like so, and here is the fillet also. Okay, I will give these fillets a color to distinguish, like so, and this fillet also I will give it the color, like so. and the material is shown here is plain carbon steel. This is material plain carbon steel. Okay, I will give it plain carbon steel here. The part is complete. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope some people will learn something out of it, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.